Hello friends, today we will discuss computer net exam previous year paper. I will read the questions and answer directly so that we can complete the questions in short time. First question is the Boolean function given is equal to the Boolean function. Answer is 4p. Second question is let us assume that you contrast orders tree to represent the compound preposition given the statement. Then the prefix expressions and postfix expressions determined using this order tree are given as dash and dash respectively. Answer is second, this and this statement. Third question is let A and B be sets in a finite universal set U given the following. This set given which of the following is in order of increasing size. There is four given statements. Then you have find increasing size. Answer is 4. This. Fourth question is what is the probability that a randomly selected bit strings of length 10 is palindrome? Answer is second, 1 by 32. Fifth question is given the following graphs. There is two graphs given. Which of the following is correct? G1 contains Euler circuit and G2 does not contain Euler circuits. Second statement, G1 does not contain Euler circuits and G2 contains Euler circuit. Third is both G1 and G2 do not contain Euler circuit. Then answer is third. Sixth question is the octal number 326.4 is equivalent to. Octal number is given. Then answer is 214.5 decimal and D6.8 hexadecimal. Seventh question is which of the following is the most efficient to perform arithmetic operations on the numbers? Then answer is second, complement. Eighth question is the Karnaugh map for a Boolean function is given. There is a Boolean function given according to the Karnaugh map. The simplified Boolean equations for the above Karnaugh map. Then answer is second, AB plus AC plus AD plus BCD. Ninth question is which of the following logic operations is performed by the following given combination circuit? There is circuit given. Then answer is exclusive NOR. 10th question is which of the following, there is two list given, match these two statements. First one, controlled inverter, a circuit that transmit a binary words or its first complements. Full order, a circuit that can add 3 bits. Half adder, a logic circuit that adds 2 bits. And D, binary adders, a circuit that can add 2 binary numbers. Then answer is 4. Third, first, fourth, second. 11th question is given I is equal to 0. There is given program. What is the output of given C expression? You have need to find the output of this program. X multiply 3 ampersand 3 and J and K. Answer is 1. 11th answer is 3. 12. The following C statement. Next is also given statement. What declare these statements? Answer is array of functions returning pointers to integers. Next, 13th question. If a function is friend of a class, which one of the following is wrong? Wrong आंसर बताना, रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट बतानी यहाँ आपको. Friend functions are members of a class. 14th question is, in C++ polymorphisms require. What polymorphisms require? Inheritance, virtual functions and reference. Next, 15th question. A function template in C++ provides dash level of generalizations. Answer is 3, 2. 16. DBMS provide the facility to accessing data from a database through. Answer is second, DML. 17 question. Relational database schema normalization is not for. Answer is first, reducing the number of joins required to satisfy a query.